What's up, guys? Well, we're just out letting the young birds fly right now. Now, I'm going to start off by saying do a little bit of an upgrade to the trapping system for the first rounders. Adjust this camera real quick. That bob is up a little bit too far, but originally the trap was on the outside, and I don't know how well you guys can see that, but right inside there is a basically a 2x4 frame. So that was what was keeping the birds from getting in a decent time, because usually what would happen was the first bird would get in, get up there on those 2x4s, block everybody else from getting in. So I moved the trap to the inside, took out one of the bobs, put the antenna pad on a little bit of a platform that runs level with the 2x4 that's inside, and that's been helping these guys out pretty good. If that don't work, I'm gonna have to go in and cut that 2x4 in the middle of the bottom and put it up here like this trap, because this one runs flush with the ground. So just hit the bobs, drop right in. That's what I was trying to get them to do with this one. It's only been like that for like a couple days to a week. I don't remember. It's been a hectic week over here. So they seem to be getting in pretty good, jumping on the antenna pad, go in. They're still a little bit unsure of themselves, but seems like it's working. I'll give it a little while and see what happens. We got the last bird. That was one of the last birds that was put in here. This little checker. She's finally getting up and getting her wings under her. Everybody else is up in the air someplace. So let's watch the birds fly. The other day, I don't know which one I got my ideas, but I found an egg in the young birds grit bowl over here on the left hand side, the first rounders. I'm thinking it's that one grizzle that ended up having the broken leg. I do believe I seen her sitting in that bowl a couple days earlier. I left it in there overnight. I actually went back in the next day to get it, and I was going to move it over here with the breeders, mark it, and put it under a hen that had just laid eggs the day before, see if it hatched or whatever. But these guys ended up breaking that egg, and it no longer exists, and there was only one. So I did think that that was weird for, you know, birds that are a little bit over 4 months old or whatever. But yeah, thought that was kind of unusual. A vulture. All right. There's a big ass hawk up in that tree right back behind the loft. See these little starlings, big old, like 15, 20 of them chasing it. And right behind them, right in mixed with them were the birds. That sucks. It is, okay, it's not a hawk. All right, cool. So these little guys have been up here for a little bit. Let's call them in, see how they do. One more time. There we go. All right. As you guys can see, this is why I'm liking this trap setup better than my old one. There's 20 birds in there, gone in 60 seconds. Alright guys, well, like I stated earlier in this video, I wanted to say thank you for everybody who posts comments on my videos, watches. You know, it's tough being the new guy. I think me and the birds are doing alright. We're learning a lot together. Racing season's coming, and once we start basking and taking these birds off, we're really going to figure out who's who and what's what. But as of right now, we're having fun, doing good. There's the video. I'm out.